If you're serious about lifting, building strength, or simply expanding your home gym setup, RitFit Olympic rubber grip plates for barbell 2-inch weight plates for weightlifting should be on your radar. This set is built with durability, functionality, and user experience in mind, qualities that make it a go-to option for both beginners and experienced lifters. With a solid 195-pound set that includes 2.5, 5, 10, 35, and 45-pound pairs, it's a comprehensive collection designed to meet a wide range of training needs. Right out of the box, the quality of the RitFit plate stands out. Each plate has a solid iron core and is encased in a slip-resistant rubber coating, which not only protects your floors but also minimizes noise during drops or handling. That rubber coating is a real bonus for anyone working out in a shared space, apartment, or home where excessive clanging and banging isn't ideal. Users love that these plates deliver commercial gym-level quality right in the comfort of their own home, and that's a sentiment echoed in hundreds of reviews. One of the most talked about features of these plates is their 3-hole grip design. It's an ergonomic and user-friendly detail that allows for easy handling, especially useful when you're moving weights on and off a barbell or doing plate-only exercises like Russian twists, front raises, or lunges. The grip is smooth but secure, which reduces strain on your hands and wrists during transfers. Whether you're performing compound barbell lifts or supplementing your training with single-plate exercises, this design element proves incredibly convenient. Another solid plus is the steel ring insert that helps the plates glide effortlessly onto 2-inch Olympic bars. This is a thoughtful inclusion, especially for those who are tired of struggling with plates that stick or wobble on the bar. Even during high-intensity sessions where you're rapidly changing weights, these plates stay snug and steady once they're on the bar. The fit is reliable, reducing both safety concerns and time wasted during workouts. While some budget plates on the market tend to chip or warp with repeated use, RitFit's plates are built to last. According to multiple customer reviews, they hold up extremely well even after months of regular lifting. One customer noted that even though they've dropped them from various heights during deadlifts and cleans, the rubber held strong without tearing or cracking. That kind of longevity is key when making a $499 investment in your gym gear. Speaking of investment, many users agree that the price-to-quality ratio is impressive. For under $500, you get a full range of weights suitable for progressive overload, which is the backbone of strength training. Whether you're working on hypertrophy, endurance, or max strength, this range allows you to scale your lifts as needed. For beginners, the lighter plates help with form and technique, while seasoned lifters will appreciate having access to heavier weights for compound movements like squats and bench presses. It's also worth noting that these plates are versatile in their use. Several reviewers mentioned using them not only for barbells, but also in place of dumbbells or kettlebells. The grip-friendly design makes it easy to hold them securely during dynamic or functional training movements. This adaptability adds extra value, especially for those working out in smaller spaces or on tighter budgets, where every piece of equipment needs to serve multiple purposes. However, no product is without its quirks. A few users mentioned a noticeable rubber odor when the plates first arrive. It's not uncommon with rubber-coated weights, and thankfully, it's not a deal-breaker. Most customers said the smell faded over time, and one clever user shared their personal solution, washing the plates with a mix of alcohol, vinegar, and water to eliminate the scent quickly. Another minor detail is the slight variance in weight calibration. While the plates are advertised as a specific weight, some reviewers found minor discrepancies of around plus or minus 2%. For most recreational users, this is negligible, but competitive lifters might want to keep it in mind. Still, these minor drawbacks don't detract from the overall experience. Most buyers are more than satisfied with their purchase, praising everything from the aesthetic they do look sharp to their durability and performance. One reviewer even noted that they preferred these plates to the more expensive bumper plates they had previously used, citing better handling and a more manageable footprint. The shipping process also gets kudos. Despite being a heavy set, most reviewers reported fast and efficient delivery, with the plates arriving well packaged and in perfect condition. Given how frustrating delayed or damaged deliveries can be when buying gym gear, that reliability goes a long way in building customer trust. From a usability standpoint, RitFit has clearly put thought into how people actually interact with their equipment. A comfortable grip, Compact size and durable rubber casing make these plates incredibly easy to incorporate into any workout regimen. Whether you're loading up a barbell for squats, using them for floor presses, or doing unilateral work with one plate in hand, they feel secure and stable. In conclusion, the RitFit Olympic rubber grip plates are a well-rounded, high-quality choice for anyone looking to upgrade or build out their strength training setup. With smart design choices, rugged construction, and thoughtful details like ergonomic grips and smooth barbell inserts, these plates are built to perform and built to last. They strike the right balance between quality and affordability, making them ideal for home gym users who want professional results without spending thousands. Whether you're just starting your fitness journey or adding to a well-established routine, these plates are a worthwhile addition to your workout arsenal. If you're considering investing in plates that can stand the test of time and handle everything from gentle rehab exercises to brutal max lifts, look no further. You'll get the weight range you need, the build quality you want, and the ease of use that makes lifting a little more enjoyable.